So this all. So these all the good words are the golden words we learned. Why we need these good words or golden words? These golden words help us to beautify, to give beauty to. It attributes our nature. It attributes our personality. It develops our personality. It reflects your personality. It gives charm to you. It gives beauty to you. It gives beauty to you. Suppose you think that without saying excuse, without respecting anybody, without showing love, without showing kindness, you are just behave like a very arrogant person. Anybody likes you?
No.
Tell me, anybody likes you?
No, ma'am.
Anybody likes you?
No, ma'am.
No, no one likes you. Always started to say that you are very arrogant. See, look at Sapna. She is very arrogant. Don't be friendly with her. Sapna, it's an example. Otherwise, Sapna is very cute girl, very friendly. See, Nihal. Nihal is very proudy. Don't go to him. It's example, Nihal. So, one should, John, don't play with the things in, play with the words, play with the sentence. That's what we are doing over here. Okay. So, my dear children, always keep these golden words with you. These golden words help you to grow in a beautiful manner. In a beautiful manner, and you will get such a beautiful position in your future. That's what we always work to. We always very much conscious. You have to keep much conscious to develop your personality. Got it? So the word respect is very clear to all of you. We learned the stories. Now I am moving to the next word, the word truth. What is the word?
Truth.
Truth. What's the spelling of truth?
Truth.
How you pronounce it? What about your accent teacher? What she asked to pronounce the truth word?
Truth.
Okay. You just asked to her. You just use, you have to repeat. Okay. Okay. So truth. Truth is, have you heard this word truth?
Yes.
Have you heard this word?
Yes, ma'am.
Where you heard this word truth? Anna? Anna, give me one example of the word truth, or where you can find this word truth.
Always
Tell truth. It is said like that. Okay, Isra?
Ma'am, the quality of state of being true.
Yeah, true. That is the word meaning, my dear. It's a word meaning. The quality of the word being true is known as truth. What do you mean by being true, John? See, before, even in the, just a minute, John, wait for a moment. Even in the first lecture itself only, I told you, this is of discussion. This is our lecture is of totally a part of discussion. And we are learning every day few personality skills. And these skills we are learned, or it is a part of training or practice. Whenever it comes to the practice or learning or training, you have to speak with me. Speak with me in the sense you have to express your ideas. You have to express your ideas, your emotions, your feelings with me. Then only this period is a fruitful period. We can say that it's a fruitful period. It's a successful period. You got an idea, and I become satisfied. Okay. Now come on, John. The word to be truth. To be true. Wait, I'll wait. John will give. With next respect we learn. Next word is truth. To be true. What do you mean by to be true?
Yes.
Yeah, come on, John. Try to
Truth
speak.
means we will be tell in anyone to say truth.
He's stating that, he's saying that we must speak true. Am I right? We must speak truth. Okay. Ail, I'm coming to you. Yes, come on, Ail.
Being truthful means saying how something really is not it really happened.
Not it really happened.
How it really happened.
How it really happened. How it really happened, or what exactly it is. Without any exaggeration, without any liar. Henry, don't play with your hairs. This is also a part of communication. I'm going the next after few lecture. We will move to non-verbal. Then you will understand that what is the purpose of. Means again and again I'm reminding to you. Sit straight. Have a smile on your face. Concentrate your lessons. This all reveals your personality. Okay? Come on. So, truth or truthfulness. And the way we can say that something it is so loyal, something it is very, very, very extract. It's exactly like. It is as it is. It is as it is. There is no exaggeration. There is no exaggeration. Yeah. Ansil, do you want to speak?
Ma'am,
Ah,
do you know one person?
Afan? Afan, come on, my dear, come on. Speak.
One person is there. He only say truth.
Who?
And Muhammad Nabi.
Muhammad Nabi, great. Really, he got means a very exact, the correct name of the person, the one who always speaks truth, who is Muhammad Nabi. The same, but another you can see, who is he? Our father of nation, who is he?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Yeah, Shivadhyan.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Shivadhyan, you want to speak?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, so students, truth. It's a very valuable, it's a golden word. Everyone should adopt it. Should add to your personality. This, of course, make you a diamond. So, always speak truth. Always loyal. Truth comes where it is when respect comes from the discipline, love.
It actually happened.
Respect comes from where? Respect comes from the loyalty, love and loyalty. The truth too comes from loyalty and faithfulness. Loyalty and faithfulness. So, dear children, now I'll tell one story to you. Did you like to hear story?
Yes, ma'am.
You like to hear story?
Yes, ma'am.
Then listen. Just close your eyes and listen. There won't be any moments. There won't be any distractions. Listen carefully. At the end of the story, I'll ask questions. Devadarshan, don't get distracted. Listen here. So, let's start. Let's start.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Dear students, once upon a time, the story is of centuries ago. Once upon a time, there was a king. There was a king who had a large number of slaves with him. Slaves means workers. There was a great king who had a large number of workers along with him. Among those slaves, those workers, if one slave is very dark and very dull in his looking. Rest of other slaves are very handsome and very strong in their body as well as their looking. But among all, one small, a black slave was there. But he was always true to his king. But he was always true to his king. So, of course, the king always loved him. The king always loved him. Why? Because he is the only one always true to him. That's why the king loved him very much. So made this made jealous among jealous among the minds of other slaves. So what happened? What happened? Do you know? One day, the king went out on a camel. One day, the king went out on a camel. So, of course, he may accompanied with a number of slaves, some number of workers. So, some slaves walked in front of him and some slaves walked behind him. So, what happened? One day, the slave went out on a camel. That time, some slaves walked in front of him and some slaves walked at back of him or behind him. But the black slave rode on a horse by the side of the master, by the side of his master. Who is the master here? The king. The king is the master, and he went on a camel outside, and few slaves are walked in front of him, few slaves went back of him, and that black slave, he rode on a horse by the side of his master. His master means his king. That time, the king had a box with him. The king had a box with him. The box was of full of jewelry. The king had a box with him, and the box was of full of jewelry and pearls and other diamonds. What happened? On the way, the box fell down from his hand. From king's hand, the box fell down from his hand, and it broke into pieces. The box broke into pieces, and the pearls rolled on the ground. The box broke into pieces, and the pearls inside the box rolled on the ground, on the street where they were walking. Really, this incident made so hustle and bustle among those slaves. They started to pull and push each other. So the king noticed it, and the king said, "Slaves, go and take, and I don't need it no longer. Slaves, go and take this. I don't need those pearls no longer." So these slaves, if the slaves who were in front of him and at his back of him, they quarreled like anything. There was a big hustle and bustle, pushing and pulling, and they run after those pearls to grab it, to collect it. But what happened to those? What happened to those young black slave? Do you know? He was there to guard his master. He didn't move from his position. Still, he was by the side of his master. When the king asked, "Why, my dear? Why you don't need the pearls or diamonds as your fellow men were back of those pearls and diamonds? Why you don't need it?" The black slave replied that, "My master, I am for you. I am here to guard you. I am here to assist you. I am here to safeguard you. I am not here to pluck those. I am not here to get those pearls and diamonds. This is my duty. You are entrusted a duty to me to safeguard you. So I am here to safeguard you, not here to be in back of those money or those jewels." So my dear students, this is what we had seen. This shown how a person must be very much dedicated to his work, or truthful to his work, or loyal to his master. Or what are the qualities we can find out from him? What are the qualities we can find out from him?
Truth.
Tell me. Yeah. He stood for truth.
His master.
Yeah. Stood for his truth. Then he was there to protect his master. Then
Respect.
he was there to respect his master. Then
He always
To
said
truth.
he was so loyal to him. He was just see the words. Truth. Adinath, count it. How many words we learned today? He was very true to his master. He was very loyal to his master.
respect.
He shown respect, Isra. Swapna, he was very faithful to his master. He was very dedicated in his work. He was very dedicated in his work. So how many new words we learn through this story?
Respect. Truth.
Five golden words. Again, 5 golden words are adding to your personality, my dear children. Why I told these stories to you? You could possess, you must possess, you have to possess these qualities. Then only you can achieve a success in your life. So today onwards, you have to practice on it. What are the qualities?
Truthful. Respect.
Truth, faithful. Write down. Write down. Take a pen and paper.
Ma'am, can you write in the board?
No, you hear and write. Here and write. I'll slowly go. You are not a small child now. Okay. Respect. Foremost word, respect. Come on. Respect. Truth. Slowly. See what?
Notebook.
Any book, Arfan, any book. Keep a small diary or any small pocket diary. This helps you in your entire life. You can carry that diary for a long time along with you. That much valuable. Okay, so right. Truth. Yes, truth.
Respect. Truth. Then
dedication.
Finish.
Then loyalty.
Finish.
Then which is the fifth one? Arfan, what is the fifth one? Loyalty. What's the fifth one?
Faithless.
Faithfulness. Faithfulness. Faithful. Faithful. Once again, I'll repeat. Arfan, listen.
Finish.
Once again, I'll listen. Once again, I'll speak. Truth. Truth. Respect. Truth. Respect. Dedication. Loyalty. Loyalty. Faithfulness. 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 So, my dear children, these 5 words to add it to your personality. Hope you will practice it, you'll train it.
Ma'am,
and
loyalty
use it.
is what?
Loyalty. And I'll speak. Just repeat all the five words. He finished. Come on.
Respect.
Mm.
Truthful.
Yeah.
Dedication.
Swapna, correct.
Loyalty.
Faithfulness. Faithful. You write faithful. Faithfulness. Okay, Sapna, come on, dear. Once again, repeat. Yeah, good. Good.
Respect.
Don't show me. Just Sapna reads.
Respect. Truth.
Rest of others listen.
Loyalty. Dedication. Faithful.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I read?
Arfan now.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yeah.
Truth. Dedication. Loyalty. Faithfulness.
Very good, my dear. Then Muhammad.
Ma'am. Ma'am, can I read?
Wait, I'll give chance to all.
Respect. Truth. Dedication. Loyalty.
Faithfulness. Okay. Unseen.
Respect. Truthful. Dedication. Loyalty. Faithfulness.
Adinath.
Respect, truth, dedication, loyalty, faithfulness.
Henry.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
Respect. Truthful. Dedication. Loyalty. Faithfulness.
Shreya.
Respect, truth, dedication, loyalty, faithful.
Devadarshan.
Respect, loyalty, truth, dedication, faithfulness.
Faithfulness. Okay.
Faithfulness.
Eva. Correct it. Devadarshan, listen and correct it.
Respect, loyalty, faithfulness.
Okay. Aibal.
Respect, truth, dedication, loyalty, faithfulness.
Good. Prajwal.
Ma'am, he did not have respect.
Okay. Aibal, add respect to. Okay. Prajwal. Okay. Prajwal.
Respect, truth, dedication, loyalty, faithfulness.
Nihal. Come on. Nihal. Nihal, come on.
Ma'am, he has audio problem.
Yeah, okay. Viraj. Viraj, my dear, unmute. Speak. He is also facing the audio problem, okay? Who is remaining now? Yeah, John.
Respect, truth, dedication,
Hmm.
loyalty,
Hmm.
faithfulness.
Okay, Isra.
Respect,
Hmm.
full,
Hmm.
dedication,
Hmm.
loyalty,
Hmm.
faithfulness.
Very good. Very good. Who is remaining now? All of it. Okay, children. We'll speak on the same topic in coming lessons, coming period. That is on next Wednesday.
Ma'am, Viraj is
Viraj, come on, my dear. Where is Viraj? Okay, Viraj. Viraj's audio problem. Just 1 second. Try, Viraj.
Ma'am, Viraj has no audio problem.
No audio problem, but he is not unmuting, no? Viraj, open the audio. Yes.
Ma'am, Viraj muted.
Okay, Anne Maria.
Viraj
Next lesson, next period, we will start with Viraj only. Yes. Anna, Anne Maria.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
Respect, truthful, dedication, loyalty, faithfulness.
Okay, good. So,
Ma'am, Diya did not get a chance.
Okay, Diya, where is Diya? Yes, Diya. Come on.
Truthful, dedication.
Good. Good. Come on. Okay. Okay. Anyway, we'll continue in next hour. Okay. We practice on this next Wednesday. I'll come and ask how you used these words in your life. How you?
Ma'am, no seminar for soft skills.
It's a seminar. Seminar is there. I'll give you the topic. Okay, in coming lessons, coming lectures. Okay. So, my dear children, practice it. Meet you on next Wednesday. Till then, bye. Goodbye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye bye. Happy day, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.